What do you know about ALS? Perhaps you've heard it referred to by its full name, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or you know it as Lou Gehrig's disease. But what really is ALS? In the simplest of terms, it's a ruthless thief. It robs people of their ability to move, to speak, and eventually to breathe. Delving deeper, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis is a type of neurodegenerative disease. This means it's a condition that causes the neurons, the cells in your brain and spinal cord that control muscle movement, to gradually break down and die. The amyotrophic part of the name refers to the atrophy or wasting away of these vital muscle-controlling cells. Now, you might be wondering, what does this look like in real life? How does it manifest in those it affects? Well, the symptoms can vary widely from person to person, but there are some common threads. Early signs often include muscle weakness or stiffness. This might show up as clumsiness, such as tripping or dropping things more often than usual. As the disease progresses, the symptoms become more severe. People may have trouble speaking, swallowing, and eventually breathing. Yet it's important to remember that while ALS affects a person's physical abilities, it generally does not impair their intellect, their senses, or their ability to feel touch. It's a disease that traps a person within their own body while leaving their mind untouched. Living with ALS is undoubtedly challenging, but there's hope in the form of supportive care. This involves a multidisciplinary team of healthcare professionals all working together to manage symptoms, maintain as much independence as possible, and improve quality of life. This can include physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech therapists, nutritionists, and more. And let's not forget the vital work being done in the field of ALS research. Scientists and researchers around the globe are striving to understand this complex disease, to develop new treatments, and ultimately to find a cure. Their work is paving the way for a future where ALS is a thing of the past. So to summarize, ALS, or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, is a progressive neurodegenerative disease that affects nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. It results in symptoms such as muscle weakness, difficulty speaking and swallowing, and eventually difficulty breathing. Supportive care can help manage these symptoms and improve quality of life. And though there is currently no cure, ongoing research offers a beacon of hope for the future. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about ALS, the better equipped we are to support those living with it and to contribute to the global fight against this devastating disease.